my name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to subtract fractions with whole numbers and unlikely denominators. So we'll do an example first where we subtract a fraction from a whole number. So let's say I take the number 5 and I want to subtract from it 2/3. All right. Well, the first thing that I need to do is get a likely denominator. So I'm thinking about how to convert 5 so the denominator is 3. And the way to do that is to make it 15 over 3, right? Because 15 divided by 3 is 5. And now I'm going to just bring down my 2/3. Okay, so now my two fractions have the same denominator. So all I have to do is subtract the numerators, 15 minus 2, which is 13. And I always keep the denominator the same, which is 3. So my answer is 13 over 3. But that's an improper fraction. So if your teacher wants you to go ahead and make it a mixed number, what you do is see how many times does 3 go into 13? Well, it goes in 4 times, right? Because 4 times 3 is 12. And that means that there's 1 left over. I put the remainder in the numerator, and I keep the denominator as 1/3. All right? So 4 and 1/3 is the difference to 5 minus 2/3. And it would be the same concept if you had different denominators. So if I had the fraction 3/4 and I wanted to subtract 2/3 from it, again, I'm going to have to look for a likely denominator. So I'm looking for the least common multiple of 4 and 3, which is 12. So I'm going to convert 3/4 and 2/3 both into fractions that have 12 as a denominator, all right? So to get from 4 to 12, I do times 3, so 3 times 3 is 9. To get from 3 to 12, I do times 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. And now I subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Keep my denominator. My difference is 1/12. And that is how you add and subtract fractions with whole numbers and unlikely denominators.